Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial where today, I will walk you through the infinite drum machine. Here is a pre-generated sound from Infinite Drum Machine. Press the play button to listen. Drag the colored dots to different types of sounds. The words on top of the dot is the name of the sound that has been selected. You can isolate a specific beat by removing the other colored dots from the track. This is a shuffle button. It helps to randomly choose a sound for the track. This is the metronome, which produces a steady pulse that musicians use to play rhythm accurately. You can change the speed of the beat. Zoom in or out by pressing the plus or minus button on the right. You can also filter the type of sound you want through the filter tag. Dots that are still bright are the ones that have the filtered tag. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.